Hello, everyone. My name is Crystal Patrick. I'm a real estate agent here with Cass Realty. And today I want us to talk about saving for your first home here in Maryland. Now, in our previous video, we talked about the Maryland First Time Home Buyers Savings Account, which is a great program that you can take advantage of. It comes with amazing tax benefits. And I'll also put that link in the description below. But today I wanted to also talk about some other options and avenues that you can take to help build a momentum of savings. So like many of us, savings could be one of those things where we aspire to do, but life happens, unexpected bills comes up, or you just needed to use the money for something else. And when you think about buying your first home, saving for that can also feel almost impossible. So I want us to start to think of ways that we can actually start the momentum of saving money gradually with as much as we can or with as little as we have. So here is our 4 simple, effective ways to start saving for your home and just saving in general. The first option you have is setting up automatic savings through your employer. So if you receive a paycheck from your employer every 2 weeks or every month, you can set up where you decide you want to take out either $50 or $100 or 2% of your paycheck each time, and it goes to a separate account before it hits your main account. It's similar to how the 401k works out. They take their money out first, it goes towards the 401k investments, and then you get the rest. Except this is after tax, it's not pre-tax. Another option you have is using your bank's autosave feature. Most banks allow you to set up auto savings from your direct deposit. So in that way, you don't have to worry about going in and transferring that money from your checking account to your savings account every time. It's done for you. So think of it as your house fund is growing quietly in the background. The third option is setting up 10% of whatever income you receive and manually transferring it into a separate account. This can work out well for those who want full control of their money. It can also work out well for those who are self-employed and the frequency in which they receive money is different throughout the month. And also, this is good for anyone who receives money as a bonus, a birthday gift, a holiday gift, and you want to take out a set amount, for example, 10%, and transfer it manually to a savings account. Now, this fourth option is sort of like a cultural option. Depending on where you're from, you know what a SUSU is or a chama is. It's sort of a group cooperative savings that individuals do with trusted family members and friends. This option, called a SUSU or a chama, or depending on where you're from, it might be called something else, is basically where a group of family members or friends, trusted family members or friends, keyword there is trusted, decide on a set amount of money that they will combine together every week or every month, however often they decide. And every cycle, one person receives a lump sum of that money that they have combined. And it just rotates until everyone has gotten their turn. It is a community-based savings. When done responsibly, can help you reach your goal of home ownership faster. So these options are to help you get into the momentum of saving, help you get into the drive and the motivation to help you save money for your house or just save money in general. So whether you've decided to go the automatic route or the manual route or the group community savings route, the key here is to get started and stay consistent. And remember, even small amounts make a big difference in the long run. And also remember that buying a home isn't just about credit. It's also about your preparation and smart money habits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications for whenever we post something for you, and share this with anyone you know that will benefit. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.